which is kind of voice.
Alright, we're gonna go that way. Ready!
It's going with you guys. It's genuinely going on.
Alright.
Well, you stay behind us then.
Yeah.
Moving behind you. You better call that, pal.
Move up, move up.
Am I good?
You're good. You're behind here.
Yeah. Back up, back up, back up.
Copy that.
Reload. Take my spot. He's on the floor, on the netting. The break in the netting on the floor.
Oh,
shit, somebody knows I'm here.
Well, apparently it's a grenade.
That's because they saw me.
Pulled the pin on it.
What?
Is this? This was on the ground. I just pulled the pin on it.
Well, throw it back at them.
Yeah, screw it. I doubt it exploded or anything.
Going low, going low.
We got people in the kill house?
Do we?
Oh! I have to cover the kill house.
Moving in, moving in, moving in.
Push up to the left, they can't hit you through the netting. Push forward, I'm going to move in.
You see anybody?
Yeah, I only got our guy.
I don't know, my rifle's jammed.
Okay, well, you moved on to your secondary?
I'm unhappy. I'm not supposed to in a while. I'm already at an issue.
We pretty much have them pinned in there, guys.
You want it? Got the rep called ceasefire. We'll go back, start over. You want to just go in and clear it?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, charged right up.
And he...
Yeah, that just got his ass out. I got him off bang bang.
You're all crooked there, buddy.
I need...
Your Asian fit head isn't fitting your Asian fit helmet.
I know.
Wait, he does have the Asian goggles though.
What?
He does have the Asian goggles though.
What goggles are those?
Division.
Do they make those with fans in them?
What?
Do they make those with fans in them?
Yeah, but the wire broke. I have it, so I just have to resolder.
Oh.
You know what I got? I got the night vision one. So I can
What?
get my night vision
Oh, yeah.
onto it.
So
And it works
freaking
out
go
great.
get new batteries.
Because the back of my nod is rubberized.
So you just bump stuff in it. You have
Put your 9.6 in
the
it.
monocle or the double?
Monocle. And I had the right amount until I got roofied on Halloween.
I think it's totally.
I told you that story, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Need a man.
Which way are you going?
I'm gonna try to take this kill house.
Yeah!
Kill house.
Go, 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 go. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Moving in right. Are you no bands or bands?
No band.
Emmett, where do you see him? Emmett, where's he at? I ain't got a shot. Oh, there I do. What? Which window? Right side? I don't see him. I'll keep my eyes on that one. Who? Red light! Green light! Where is it, that moon? You better stop blind firing! Hey, ref! Ref! I see you in the moon! Stop blind firing!
What button did you have? Get out!
He's out.
We're good.
Yeah.
Just watch the 12. There's one guy, there's the one, 12 o'clock.
Where is he though?
Behind
Which
the
side? Where?
Apparently behind the window.
Yeah, they're all the way back there.
Where is he?
Popping in and his head in and out.
Oh, the corner?
Yeah.
All
Straight
right.
ahead.
Flippy! Left side general store! In the left side general store! Give me eyes on that, we're gonna move in!
Watch it out there.
I see him. Stick your head out, motherfucker. There you go. Oh, he already called out. No, that's not him, it's somebody else.
Get him?
Nope. Let me reload. He's out! Finally.
Yeah, bang, bang, hey, let's game.
Good game, brother. What?
I tested my hopper.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. That's why I've been...
I hate this fucking iron thing.
It's nasty.
You got no light?
What's that?
No, nice.
I can see him coming out.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, it's good, right?
I like him, yeah.
Can I take a shot?
Yeah. I'm probably out.
Yeah. Let him do the reload.
Yeah.
Because you can fire every BB out of these, right?
Yeah.
Pop-up's running a little. That's nice.
It's smooth, right?
Yeah. Put all the suspenders on, man. I just wouldn't want to carry that around.
What's nice about that is it comes semi, burst, and auto. Mine only
didn't
comes
notice.
either.
Yeah, that's why when I
either-
switched it, I'm like, here, check it out.
Oh, is there a full auto?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
Hey guys.
good fault.
Getting some complaints about.
Honest question. Was anybody shooting full out of that game?
No, not at all.
Nobody was.
Not at all.
Nobody was shooting full out of that game.
Not at us.
I'm sure they were. So I just told everybody, semi only from now on. Everybody remember the
3-round burst.
Some people think that we shoot full auto because of our trigger.
We have a shorter trigger pull. That's the difference.
It's not even that. He came in and he's like, how are we supposed to have fun? What's the point of having rules if nobody's going to fucking follow them? I just got hit 3 times from 6 feet away, fucking full auto. We're sitting there like, what? He's like, and between the refs and there's favoritism, blah, blah, blah. No, there's not. What are you talking about? It's so unnecessary.
Who was it?
Some guy, like his first time playing.
Is it the guy with the sniper rifle?
No, he's okay. He's actually, I saw him. The he played last week. He knows. He's trying to get his friends to come to play.
He got hammered by us. That's why, Tom. Is it the guy with like a flannel shirt? I mean, a t-shirt?
No, he's wearing a black long sleeve.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was him.
Because he got hammered on.
Me?
Him,
No, no one big.
you, Mike, we all put him out. He had 5 people.
Whew, my goodness.
I don't have plates, so.
I guess you saw the video, huh?
Can you help me?
I don't know, can I?
Can you?
Can I?
think you can.
Okay. What do you want? Off?
Off, and then tighten it. I can't even get it off.
Yeah. You want it on your gear?
Yeah, that's a better idea.
Yo, there's a light beeping on your camera. Well,
It's still recording. That's all.
This vest is starting to stink too now.
Got sweat, man.
Yeah, man.
You're at 34.
Made me and my boy run around.
Oh yeah, let's go play some country
I go play now.
Oh, those gloves are juicy too.
That's this that you smell.
Yup, I have a batting glove like
Yeah.
that. That's a cute Steve. Look at me, I'm so
Isn't
bad.
it?
Looks like, oh my.
Fastest trigger person you've ever had.
You know what else this could be used?
Hey, Ryan, are you
gonna hit people?
Where's your gun? What? My gun?
Yeah, it's gone, man.
Is there anyone out there?
It's in my pants.
Put in your magazine and shoot it as quick as you can on semi-auto. Just humorous, please. Unless you don't want to.
I need somebody to shoot at though.
Shoot at Cookie?
No.
I've never called you Cookie before.
No, I kind of like it.
Thanks, buddy. That's what about to do it. See, I need somebody to shoot it.
And that's semi-auto, right? I told him.
Now this is full auto.
There's a difference.
There's a difference between that,
Well, I
right?
told him to come out here and. But
Where's he? Tell him to come out here.
He doesn't want to. So I said, come on out with us and I'll show you and he'll shoot it on the semi. Just, and he'll do it with you.
Which one? Call him out. I'll call him out here right now.
Well,
Which
he doesn't
one?
want to. He just pissed off. He doesn't want to. So, well, if you want to go, you can go. So, I'll call him out.
Whatever.